Hello everyone, this is Apurv Bajaj. We are recording this video as a submission for Soonami Venturethon. And what we do at Edubuk is we do e-sealing and e-verifying of education and work experience certificates, transcripts and CVs on the blockchain. These are all the relevant links for product demo, GitHub repo, front end that's hosted on Vercel and our website live, and also the link to download the Concordium wallet because our solution is on the Concordium blockchain, but you can also see the demo video for everything which we have recorded yesterday itself. So the problem that we are tackling is of fake certificates and fake degrees. A lot of students and the whole ecosystem is actually facing this problem, and because of which hundreds of students who go from India to US for studying or Canada, they are deported back, and the whole ecosystem faces this problem of fake institutes or fake degrees being there in the market. Now our app has two main layers. One is the e-sealing layer, where we record the academic certificates and transcripts from the blockchain for universities and students. And on the verification layer, people or the university admins can verify it directly on the chain, these academic certificates and transcripts, check their unique file hash and everything. Then, for example, if you have to record this particular certificate on the blockchain, we actually put these three metadata about the certificate without revealing the underlying confidential information. What are those three important fields? Who the certificate is issued to, who the certificate is issued by, and the certificate type. And we choose the file, we upload the file, we compute its cryptographic hash. Then we do the on-chain transaction. The Concordium wallet opens, we sign the transaction on the chain. The transaction status is here. You can go and check on the CCD scan, like Concordium scan, like basically it's similar to Ether scan or Polygon scan. And why we are using Concordium blockchain? Because it's KYC enabled in the layer 1 itself. Secondly, it's CCPA compliant, GDPR compliant, Switzerland based, great team, great people there. And our solution of universities in India, US and all requires a lot more level of trust and an enterprise grade solution. That's why we're using Concordium blockchain. So that was the recording of the blockchain. Now about verification, you just have to upload that particular file and click on verify certificate. Whatever record we have put directly on the blockchain, it's a completely decentralized solution. The record is not going on AWS or Azure. Whatever we have recorded on the chain, all the 6 fields are displayed here. Certificate issued to, issued by, certificate type, cryptographic file hash, who issued the certificate, and the timestamp in UTC time zone and the date as well. If the certificate does not match or there has been tampered, then this cryptographic file hash will change and there will be an error message that will be displayed like error certificate not verified in place of certificate successfully verified, right? So that's the catch there. Now, because this is a B2B solution and it's a trustworthy solution, we will only trust the issuer of the certificate. So we have tied up for a POC, proof of concept, with 30 universities, including like we also do CETA program, Certified Emerging Tech Analyst, where we teach emerging technologies, AI, blockchain and all to students of colleges. So we also record their certificates on the blockchain using this eSeal application that we have just finalized. And all other universities are also in our MOU doing that from India and one in the US. And all the things that you see can be recorded, meaning you can check for each certificate on the CCD scan, basically directly on the blockchain, all those 6 fields that we spoke about. Then we are not only stopping here, we will also be recording the full CV on the blockchain, because CV is nothing but a combination of various certificates coming together. And then this CV, we can use AI on top of it, where we can use natural language processing algorithm to sift through the Edubuk profile of the candidate, where it will have all the information about academic skills, grades, previous employment history, and it will be used to map the skills and the relevant profile of the candidate with the most relevant job openings out there in the market. And for the HR perspective, in the corporate, they will be able to see the most relevant candidate which matches the skills and requirement as per the job description. So kind of automating the background screening and AI driven job mapping tool is what we will create in the next phase of this full project. So right now, regarding our go-to-market strategy and target market size, so we are building a two-sided utility model. One side is universities and study abroad consultancies and agencies who help students from going abroad from India to the US, and other side is corporates, basically, where we will be tying up for the AI-driven job mapping platform. And with respect to target market size, we are targeting college graduates and employees, and obviously at any given point in time, around 25% of the world population is either graduating or doing some college or education, or is an employee in a formalized sector. So out of 8 billion, total 8 billion population, 2 billion, 25% is there. And out of that, serviceable addressable market size, 25% of TAM, which is 500 million people. And we are charging $10 per person for all the certificate of that person. So around a 5 billion market size is what market opportunity that we are looking for. Then till now we have signed 9 MOU with 8 Indian university and 1 US university. In fact, now it's 13 given our new university tie-ups, and we'll update this slide. And the study abroad consultancies, we have 6 MOUs already signed for them. So combined together we have 10 plus 6, 16. And we have like 4 broad revenue streams. Revenue stream 1 is USD2 per transcript from the university college. Revenue stream 2, same USD2 per transcript from the study abroad consultancies. And then we have done 2 mega MOUs, which is one in the US, 4th largest transcript evaluation company, 3rd largest, third party transcript evaluation company, 4th largest, 40-year-old, under NACES, National Association of Credential Evaluation Services, which all the universities in US accepts. So they do 100,000 applications per year. That's the volume we are getting from them for our eSeal product. Going forward, we have recently signed the MOU with them. And the other one is DataPoint Interactive and Tutor ABC, which already have access to millions of students studying in hundreds of universities. There also will do 2 USD2 per report to put on the blockchain. And AI-driven job matching platform, we are still in initial discussions with DE Goldman Sachs here in India to test our solution once our platform is ready in the 3 months from now. And they will pay us like USD 10K per year as a subscription fee for getting access to AI-driven platform. But before all that, we'll have a lot of students from the platform, so that it's relevant for companies to come and hire from there. These are some of our collaborators and supporters. We have got grant after due diligence and all our work completed from Concordium and Polygon. And some of the other institutes are there for a POC that we are conducting with them now. This is the MOU that we have signed with the IEE. Transcript evaluation and verification stored on blockchain by Edubuk in a secure, immutable, and transparent manner. And the IEE CEO had this press release saying that they are seeing increased number of fake documents, and with our technology, they can assure a university partner that their evaluation is based on authentic document, and we will develop the tool necessary for Indian university to issue transcript on the chain. They will then verify it on the chain and send their completed evaluation report to US university, and those university will also be using our Edubuk eSeal application. So that's one great MOU. The other one is with the Guy Pearce, CEO of DataPoint Interactive, which is similar line, eSeal for the education institutes. And what we have done in the Venturethon, Soonami Venturethon, from 15th March to 24th of March, from the left side of UI UX, which was there, we have moved to the right side. So front end we have improved a lot, that one. And another one that we have done is basically contribution activity, updates that we have made on GitHub during Soonami Venturethon. You can see on the GitHub like commits and everything in March that we did. In fact, 15th March to 24th March, you can check there. We have already submitted the GitHub repo for the eSeal mainnet front end, that's there, and for the Rust smart contract also, that is also there in that particular link that we have shared. And it's an open source, so anyone can check, no problem. And we have completed also great feedback and learning calls from Mr. Pari Sondhi on UI UX and Miss Diksha Datta on marketing and socials. Also, with respect to the Soonami Venturethon, our website is hosted on versal.com. That's the front end that's hosted, and that's the link there, which we already included in the front of the slide. And yeah, so you can check all the things that we have done in between 15th to 24th March on the deployment and changes that we have made on the front end via these logs on the Versal as well, besides GitHub. Yeah. And regarding our team, we have Shivani Mehrotra, the CEO co-founder. She's a top 30 Indian awardee for her contribution to education field. She's a university topper, national vice president of emerging technologies at Women Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. She has a 10 plus years of experience teaching 10,000 plus college students. And regarding me, I'm the CTO and co-founder. I'm engineer from IIT and IIM. I'm a gold medalist, and also a CFA charter holder. Worked with Goldman Sachs, DE Shaw in the past, and JP Morgan, and I'm upskilled and skilled at AI blockchain projects as well. And lastly, we have 3 full stack developers on our team: Harsh, Priyanshu, full stack Web3, and Krishna, full stack Web2 developer. and our solution of CETA, Certified Emerging Tech Analyst, where we teach, and our vision of this eSeal product, which was not even ready by then, has got a lot of awards. Now the solution is ready already, from Polygon, from Concordium, from MIT, Harvard University, for our MIT screening product, from IIT, IIMs, and every solution, every of these awards are 100% on merit basis. And the main important award is on the middle right side, where we were the global winner amongst 100 startups from G20 countries as the best edtech startup in the jury's choice in the DIN conference, Indonesia G20 conference. And then CNBC recently in December 2023 featured us as one of the top 100 startups out of 5,500 applications that they got for a Leap to Unicorn series. And this is the award that we got at the G20 conference in Bali, Indonesia. And this is for the CNBC, TV18 and IDFC, that they gave us this award as the top 100 startups in India, unicorn. Then this, we keep on getting other awards. And we are focusing on 4 USDGs. One is Social Development Goal 4, Social Development Goal 5, Social Development Goal 8 and 17, as we are partnering for these goals internationally also besides India. Lastly, we have got a lot of international mentions like Forbes, CNN, CNBC for our Concordium based solution of the blockchain product. And various others, basically Alexa blockchain, Metaverse Post, all those reported regarding Edubuk and Concordium partner for securing academic credential and tackle the fake credential problem on the blockchain. Thank you so very much. Again, these are all the links that you will find helpful, and please check the demo video as well. Thank you so very much.